Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 10th, and we're going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the Euro-dollar monthly time frame, it is starting to look like it possibly is going to go down and make that wave C. Now, we still have to keep both possibilities in mind. It still could go up and make an expanding flat or a running flat, but right now we're going to be looking for sorts of time frames since we have a break of structure. If it just goes down and makes a wave C and then later on goes back up, then that's not really too big of a deal. Going down to the weekly time frame, definitely a break of structure as you can see, and it does look like impulsive down. It does look like 1, 2, 3 waves up. Now, there is a possibility that this move down is a crescent and it just keeps on going up later on, but if that is the case, I think we'll be able to recognize that and start looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, this whole push down is definitely all one trend. I would definitely say that this trend is either a wave A or a wave 1 for sure. Now, until this wave A or wave 1 is over, I would definitely be looking for sorts of time frames. Now, we have CPI inflation data coming out today, and it seems like that possibly will cause this to go up and break structure, probably starting a wave B or a wave 2. And like I always say, the trading strategy for an A and a 1 is exactly the same, which is looking for sorts of time frames. Trading strategy for a wave B or a wave 2 is also exactly the same, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a wave 1, a wave 2. This is the wave 3. Probably where I have this arrow is the wave 4. And this is likely the wave 5. Now, the only thing that's going to prove to me that this whole trend from here to here is over is if this goes up and breaks structure where this arrow is. Otherwise, even if it does go up, it could easily go up, make another lower high, and just keep on going down. The only thing that it for sure is going to tell you that this wave is now in either a wave B or a wave 2 is seeing this structure break right here. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we have a nice little trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Looks very clearly to be 5 waves, and if this is a wave 5, which I think it is, then a break of this structure should help confirm that the wave A or wave 1 is complete on the higher time frames. But like I said, on the 4 hour time frame, this break of wave 4 is what's really going to tell us that this whole trend is over on like the 4 hour and daily time frame. If it does not break this wave 4 structure, but instead ends up making like a lower high and then an impulsive move down, it is no reason that the trend may not just keep on trending down. So as always, pay attention to your structure and you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.